I mean, you subscribe to things, right? Let's put a finger down. Netflix, Disney Plus, Hulu, HelloFresh, Amazon Prime. If you put a finger down, you have to like and subscribe. But why do you get these subscriptions? Is it because they're free? No, not at all. But it's because they provide you with more value than what you pay for them. Whether that be in terms of entertainment, shipping fees, groceries, watches, you name it. But now here's a subscription that you're probably missing out on, and that is the TCI subscription box. What up, crew? Hope you're doing well. My friend James from the Card Inn recently sent me a 20-pound luxury and 20-pound cardistry subscription box. So what do? The only thing that I love doing, and that is unboxing it with you. But before I start the unboxing, I want to let you know that TCI is currently running a promotion for 15% off your first subscription box. All you gotta do is use the promo code SUB15. So for any of you who want to just go ahead, dip their feet in the water, this is the perfect chance to do it at a discounted price. But before I back up these subscription boxes 100%, I want to let you know something. I want to let you know that although this video is sponsored by TCI, I will always give my honest opinion about any experience or product or anything on this channel. A lot of people hate that about me, but I prefer being honest.
Defines who I am.
We're not saying you have... What?
Now, let's open up this box and see what we got inside. Now, there are various types of subscriptions that include cardistry, luxury, and random. And these boxes range from 10 to 50 British pounds, which here in the United States would be like $12 to $61, but that sounds stupid. I think 10 to 50 sounds better. So I'm gonna say that. What's cool is that you have full control over your subscription, so you can pause, cancel, edit, modify, change, do whatever. Hello, this is the Card Inn. How can we help you today? Hey, yeah, I would like to cancel my subscription. My wife doesn't like me spending all my money on cards. Sure, no problem. We completely understand, but we would have loved to have you stay. Okay, you know what? You convinced me. Just pause my subscription for this month so my wife thinks I stopped it, and then for next month, bump me up to that luxury tier. From what I've been told, there's also a guaranteed value for your money for each of these subscription boxes. So now let's finally open it up and see if we got the best bang for our buck. Alright, so this unboxing experience came with quite a lot of cool stuff. First off is this deck sleeve, which is very nice for preserving any decks that you really want to. In my case, the luxury deck, always nice to preserve. It came with this hollow sticker, which is pretty cool, I have to say. I feel like I should do something like this for my playing cards. I think it looks very nice, adds a very luxurious touch to pretty much anything. That's pretty nifty. I think I know where I'm going to go ahead and stick that. And by stick that, I don't mean the places where the sun don't shine. So you know what I'm talking about. Then there's also the Card Inn Premium Subscription Box card. And on the back, it says Exclusive Subscriber Unboxing Experience. Free deck sleeve, which I got right here. Holographic sticker. Guaranteed value for money. Cancel, pause, or edit your subscription. Now, with these three decks that I got, I want to check. I'm going to do a check on their values and see if this box is worth it. So the first deck that I opened up was this Gentleman Wake, the Tale of the Tempest deck. Now I found this exact same deck on rareplayingcards.com, valued at, and of course this is the Midnight Limited Edition, I believe, if I'm not wrong. It looks about the same. But this is listed for $28 USD. And you know how much this goes for when I got it from the Card Inn subscription box? That's right, 20 pounds, which by my calculations through a Google search yields $24.36 as of July 2022. So there you go, right there, saved about $4. Or to be more exact, $3.64. Now these other two decks I actually have not seen before, but I'm assuming this is from the Cardistry pack, which is also valued at £20, which is equal to $24.36, as we just learned. So let's go ahead and look up these decks. Where's this first one? Cardistry Fanning playing cards, I believe that's what they're called. Production by Bokopo. So let's look these up. Okay, so let's take a look. Let's find these cards. Is there a search? There's a search. Now, what are these called? I think these are just called Cardistry Fanning. So Cardistry Fanning. That's it. I can't. Where are these playing cards? Where can I find these cards? There is a Cardistry Fanning white deck, which is definitely not this one because it looks different. So this is Cardistry Fanning red, right? So I believe this is the white version. We want to find the red version, right? This is pretty much the same. Or no, this is the red color. Which one is the white color then? I'm so confused. What's going on? This has now turned into one-man search for the right deck. Guys, I cannot find this deck. I don't know what's going on. I can't find this deck. I realize my room is also getting dark because the sun is going down. Let's add some light. I literally cannot find these cards. The other cards that I found on this version, they're like white, and then there's blue, and then there's like a... That's about it. I think that's all I can actually find. So I actually can't find these playing cards. I wish I can tell you the exact price, but based off of the average that I'm seeing, the white ones or the red ones, they literally both look like they're exactly the same, but their cost about $12 to $15. So let's just say this is about a $13 deck, and we'll leave that over to the side, and hopefully the next search will make our life a bit easier. Now these are the typograph playing cards, so let's look that up if I can learn how to navigate a phone again. So TYPOGRA typography? No, typographic playing cards. Let's check out the value right here. And of course I can't find what I need. Okay, don't even worry about it. AVH. There it is. I found it. Yes. All right, so these playing cards go for anywhere between $12 to about $15, $16. So I would say both of these decks combined, let's just say this one is $14. Let's say this one is $12.50. So both of these decks combined go for about $26.50, which is indeed more than the £20, aka $24.36, that anyone would have paid for this Cardistry pack. So is it worth the value? I would say yes for the Cardistry pack, and also yes for the luxury pack. Granted, it's not a huge value, but then again, when it really comes down to it, these are playing cards. Like $1 off is like 10% on a deck of a $10 deck. So it's, you know, it is what it is. I'm still very curious about this deck, so I think I'm just gonna open it because I need to know. Watch, this was like a super rare deck that was worth billions, and I just opened it like a moron. Ooh, but the tuck case feels very nice. Ooh, I like it. Oh yes, open that bad boy up, and bam, there we have this Cardistry deck. Now, I don't consider myself a cardist. I'm decent at Cardistry, but wow, these handle quite nice. Wow. Oh yes, love that. Oh yeah, love that new card smell. I would never in a billion years use these for CardMechanic, but I think for Cardistry they actually look quite nice. Like, wow. All right, forgive my poor skills. This is a new deck, so that's going to be my excuse for today. Otherwise, I'd say I'm pretty decent at Cardistry. So a big shout out to James and TCI for sending me these subscription boxes, and they also sent me this cool t-shirt. Check that out. Swag. Here's what I love about the TCI subscription box that I haven't really seen anywhere else. They literally track what decks they send you to ensure that you won't get a repeated deck in your box, which is genius. I've gotten the same deck so many times that just knowing that it's never gonna be the same makes me feel so much better. You guys can go ahead and purchase the TCI subscription box based on your likings, and don't forget to use the code SUP15 for 15% off your first subscription box. Don't waste all your money. Savings are key. The link to the card in will be in the description, along with a link to their video talking about these subscription boxes if you want to see more detail. Thanks so much for watching. It's always a pleasure getting to do these unboxings with you. Hope you have a great day ahead, and I'll see you really soon.